Now the evidence is getting good. The defense arguing for this petition. Let's bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Thanks for joining us, as always, Michael. And listen, I mean, we know that Jason Autry, co-defendant, allegedly recanted on video. It wasn't under oath, so this judge said that can't come in as new evidence in this evidentiary hearing. So the defense has to get new evidence in every way that they can to get the special agent who investigated, who was involved in this case, to admit, number one, I don't believe Jason Autry raped Holly, and number two, I can't say that Dylan was lying or not. Maybe he was. I think I'm surprised. How do you feel about that testimony?
Judge Ashley, there's our system of justice and sense of justice. The two are not always the same, right? The system of justice, I think, in this specific case, can wind its gears in a way to prevent him a new trial. I think our sense of justice, however, tells us that if, in fact, the person who put him behind bars was material, his testimony was so material in putting him behind bars, if that person is recanting, he said, believe me, I was involved in a case exactly like this. Exactly. The person who found out was the trigger person said, I actually did it, not the person that's in jail, but because he wouldn't testify under oath. The system of justice cannot undo and disturb a jury verdict because of somebody saying something that's not under oath. So at the end of the day, it is getting very interesting. The defense are very angry. They are very bad. You could tell as a former defense attorney when you believe your client or when you don't believe your client. These attorneys truly believe their client is innocent. And it got into a shouting match. We're witnessing a knife fight between this detective and the defense attorneys, and it's getting very heated. It's getting very interesting. I'm riveted. I want to see how this thing ends, but I think without the actual testimony by the person recanting it, I think the judge is not going to give them a new trial.